Hi everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you're starting a small business or already running one, but words like cash flow, profit, and balance sheet scare you, this video is for you. Today, we're breaking down business finance step by step with simple examples. So even if you're not good at math, you'll get it. Let's dive in. Part 1. Why business finance matters. Think of your business as a bucket. Money flows in from sales. Money flows out to pay rent, bills, staff, and supplies. If more money comes in than goes out, you're making a profit. If more flows out than in, you're losing money. Business finance simply means keeping track of what comes in, what goes out, and making smart decisions based on that. Part 2. The 3 most important numbers. Here are the 3 most important numbers you need to know. Sales, revenue. This is all the money your customers pay you. Costs, expenses, the money you spend to run the business. Profit, what's left after you pay all your costs. Profit equals sales minus costs. Example, you sell cakes and earn $1,000 this month. Sales, you pay $600 for ingredients, rent, and wages, costs. What's left? 1,000 minus 600 equals to 400 profit. So your business made $400 profit this month. Simple. Part 3. Understanding cash flow. Here's another key idea. Cash flow. It's not just how much you earn overall, it's also when the money comes in and goes out. Example. A customer orders a cake today but pays you next month. But you have to buy ingredients today, so you may have sales but no cash in hand. That's why you need to make sure you always have enough cash to pay your bills. Part 4. Budgeting for your business. Budgeting sounds fancy, but it's just planning. Write down what you expect to earn and what you expect to spend. Example, you think you'll sell $2,000 worth of cakes next month. You expect to spend $200 on rent, ingredients, and wages. That leaves you with $800. If costs go higher than you expected, you may earn less, so it helps you prepare. Part 5. Keep track of everything. Always write everything down. Money in and money out. You can use a notebook, a spreadsheet, or free apps. This helps you see where your money goes and where you can save. Example, you notice you're spending $300 a month on unused ingredients. Now you can cut that and save money. Part 6. Don't mix business and personal money. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is mixing their personal and business money. Open a separate bank account for your business. This way you always know how much the business is making. Part 7. When to get help finally. Don't be afraid to ask for help. An accountant can save you time and money. Many offer free advice or affordable services for small businesses. Also, there are free resources online and at your local library to learn more about small business finance. So to sum up, track your sales, costs, and profit. Watch your cash flow. Plan your budget. Keep business and personal money separate. And get help when you need it. You don't need to be a math genius. Just stay organized and make smart decisions. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more small business tips. See you next time.